The Ene reaction, also known as Alder-Ene reaction, is a chemical reaction between an alkene and an allylic hydrogen, that is the ene, and a compound containing a multiple bond, that is the enophile. In order to form a new sigma bond with migration of the ene double bond and 1,5 hydrogen shift. The product is a substituted alkene with a double bond shifted to the allylic position, as shown in the diagram. This transformation is a group transfer pericyclic reaction and therefore usually requires highly activated substrates and or high temperatures. Nonetheless, the reaction is compatible with a wide variety of functional groups that can be appended to the ene and enophile moieties. Also, many useful Lewis acid catalyzed ene reactions have been developed which can afford high yields and selectivities at significantly lower temperatures, making the ene reaction a useful CC forming tool for the synthesis of complex molecules and natural products. In this type of reactions, there are two types of components, that is the ene and the enophile. Enes are pi bonded molecules that contain at least one active hydrogen atom at the allylic, propergylic or alpha position. Possible ene components include olefinic, acetylenic, alenic, aromatic, cyclopropyl and carbon hetero bonds. Usually the allylic hydrogen of alenic components participates in ene reactions, but in the case of alenyl silanes, the alenic hydrogen atom alpha to the silicon substituent is the one transferred, affording a silyl alkyne. Phenol can act as an ene component, for example in the reaction with dihydropyran, but high temperatures are required in the range of 150 to 170 degrees Celsius. Nonetheless, strained enes and fused small rings systems undergo ene reactions at much lower temperatures. In addition, ene components containing C double bond O, C double bond N and C double bond S bonds have been reported, but such cases are rare. Let us talk about the enophile. Enophiles are pi bonded molecules which have electron withdrawing substituents that lower significantly the LUMO of the pi bond. Possible enophiles contain carbon-carbon multiple bonds like olefins, acetylenes, benzynes. Carbon hetero multiple bonds like C double bond O in the case of carbonyl ene reaction. It could be a C double bond N, C double bond S or a C triple bond P. Hetero-hetero multiple bonds as in N double bond N, O double bond O, Si double bond Si, N double bond O or S double bond O. Cumulene systems such as N double bonded S double bond O or N double bond S double bond N or a C double bond C double bond O or a C double bond C double bond S as or an SO2. And charged pi systems like C double bond N plus, C double bond S plus, C triple bond O plus or C triple bond N plus. Reaction conditions are also vital in this type of reactions. As long as the nucleophilicity of the alkyl group does not lead to side reactions, Catalytic amounts of Lewis acid are sufficient for many ene reactions with reactive enophiles. Nonetheless, the amount of Lewis acid can widely vary as it largely depends on the relative basicity of the enophile and the ene adduct. In terms of solvent choice for the reactions, the highest rates are usually achieved using halocarbons as solvents. Polar solvents such as ethers are not suitable, as they would complex to the Lewis acid, rendering the catalyst inactive. Reactivity of enes is to be considered now. While steric effects are still important in determining the outcome of a Lewis acid catalyzed ene reaction, electronic effects are highly significant, since in such a reaction there will be a considerable positive charge developed at the central carbon of the ene. As a result, alkenes with at least one disubstituted vinylic carbon are much more reactive than mono or 1,2 disubstituted ones. So, after studying this module, you shall be able to 1. Know what are group transfer pericyclic reactions, 2. Learn mechanism of ene reaction, 3. Identify factors influencing mechanism of ene reaction, evaluate synthetic utility of ene reactions, and lastly, analyze and appreciate applications of ene reaction in synthetic chemistry. Pericyclic reactions are a unique group of reactions characterized by a cyclic transition state, concerted mechanism, and high stereospecificity. Group transfer reactions are a kind of pericyclic reactions where one or more groups or atoms get transferred from one molecule to another. Unlike other pericyclic reactions, group transfer reactions do not have a specific conversion of pi bonds into sigma bonds or vice versa. In general, group transfer reactions are rare compared to other pericyclic reactions. However, like all other pericyclic reactions, they follow the conservation of orbital symmetry rules, that is, the Woodward-Hoffmann rules. Ene reaction is amongst the most studied example of group transfer reactions. The reaction is an example of a concerted pericyclic reaction. It is believed to occur via a single cyclic transition state with no intermediates generated during the course of the reaction. As such, the Diels-Alder reaction is governed by orbital symmetry considerations. It is classified as a 4 pi s plus 2 pi s cycloaddition, indicating that it proceeds through the suprafacial interaction of a 4 pi electron system with a 2 pi electron system, an interaction that is thermally allowed as a 4n plus 2 cycloaddition. The reaction between an alkene which has an allylic hydrogen known as the ene with a compound containing a multiple bond, that is the enophile, is known as the ene reaction. The other terminology for this type of reaction is Alder-Ene reaction. The ene reaction was first recognized and systematically studied by Alder. They resemble 1,5 sigmatropic rearrangement since a sigma bond moves, and they also resemble cycloaddition like Diels-Alder reaction, with one of the pi bond of the diene being replaced by a sigma bond. Nevertheless, since the reaction is bimolecular and no ring is formed, they are neither sigmatropic shifts nor cycloaddition reactions. Following are examples of ene reactions. An electron withdrawing group on the enophile and an electron donating group on the ene favor the reaction. Lewis acid catalyst such as aluminium chloride has also been shown to lead to the rate enhancement of ene reactions. The Lewis acid catalyzed reactions afford high yield and selectivity at significantly lower temperatures, making the ene reaction a useful carbon-carbon bond forming tool for the production of intricate molecules and natural products. In general, in the ene reactions, a hydrogen atom moves from the ene component to the enophile. But other atoms can also move equally well in principle. Practically, other than hydrogen, ene reactions are found to have metal atoms like magnesium, nickel, palladium, lithium, boron, aluminium, zinc, platinum in place of hydrogen atom. Such reactions are called metalla-ene reactions. An example can be seen below, where M represents the metal atom. The substrate may also have one or more heteroatoms in place of the carbons. Thus, if the atom carrying the hydrogen is an oxygen atom and the atom to which it is moving is also an oxygen atom, it becomes an aldol reaction. Aldol reactions usually involve acid-base catalysis and most of them are significantly pericyclic in nature. The intramolecular ene reaction of unsaturated ketones, in which the enol tautomer of the ketone function as the ene partner, is called the Konya-ene reaction. The Konya-ene reaction is intramolecular, thermal or Lewis acid catalyzed reaction that yields cyclized products. In this reaction, enolization is accompanied by a concerted 1,5 hydrogen shift. As you can see in the reaction, every step of this reaction is reversible, which can be seen in retro-Konya-ene reactions of cyclobutanes, where the chief product is the open chain isomer. The reaction is carried out at 280 degrees Celsius. Intramolecular ene reactions are another important set of reactions that benefit from less negative entropies of activation as compared to their intermolecular counterparts. Intramolecular ene reactions are more facile, occurring even in the case of simple enophiles, such as unactivated alkenes and alkynes, and are highly regioselective and stereoselective. These reactions also lead to cyclization in product, as you can see in the reaction. Another example of cyclization through ene reaction is as follows, where the reaction is carried out at 140 degrees Celsius using xylene. Next, let us have a look at the ene reaction mechanism and stereochemistry. Let us talk about the Lewis acid catalyzed ene reaction. The ene reactions are carried out thermally at high temperatures that are higher than 200 degrees Celsius because of the higher activation energy, and stereoelectronically requires the breaking of the allylic CH sigma bond. The high temperature leads to several disadvantages, including the possibility of side reactions such as acid catalyzed olefin polymerization or isomerization reactions. Lewis acid catalysis has been used to bring about the ene reactions at relatively milder conditions, as you can see in the given example above. From 47% yield at 220 degrees Celsius temperature, the yield has gone up to 61%, the temperature 25 degrees Celsius in the presence of aluminium chloride. The rationale for Lewis acid enhanced reactions is that since enophiles are electron deficient, their complexation with Lewis acids would accelerate the ene reaction. This was indeed observed experimentally for the above reaction. The use of aluminium based Lewis acid such as alkyl aluminium halides catalyst in the ene reaction has greatly expanded the scope of these reactions and has allowed their study and development under more benign and milder conditions. Enophiles that contain a carbonyl are good starting material for Lewis acid catalysis, and numerous trialkyl aluminium catalysts have been developed for such enophiles. The enhanced catalysis is observed due to a direct interaction of the carbonyl oxygen with the Lewis acid. In particular, it was found that dimethyl aluminium chloride is a very useful catalyst for the ene reactions of alpha beta unsaturated aldehydes and ketones, as well as of other aliphatic and aromatic aldehydes. The reason behind the success of this catalyst is the fact that the ene adduct dimethyl aluminium chloride complex can further react to afford methane and aluminium alkoxide, which can prevent proton catalyzed rearrangements and the solvolysis reactions. When Lewis acid is added, high levels of regio and stereo selectivity have been observed, which can be described through chair-like transition states for bicarbonyl compounds. For catalysis, the highest rates are usually achieved in nonpolar organic solvents such as hexane and heptane. Polar solvents such as ethers are not suitable. Complexation of Lewis acid may take place, making the catalyst inactive. Now let us have a look at the generalized Woodward-Hoffmann rules for ene reactions. When the total count of 4Q plus 2 S and 4R A components is odd, then the ground state pericyclic reaction is symmetrically allowed. When the total number of electrons is a 4n plus 2, group transfer reactions are allowed with all suprafacial stereochemistry. The stereochemistry of the ene reaction is such that the hydrogen atom delivered to the enophile leaves from the same surface of the ene as the surface to which the carbon-carbon bond is forming, and the hydrogen atom is delivered to the same surface of the enophile as the forming carbon-carbon bond, so that both components are reacting as suprafacial components. As you can see in the orbital picture, which shows an all suprafacial overlap for product formation. An ene reaction, which is drawn as sigma 2s plus pi 2s plus pi 2s, can also be seen below. Next, let us look at the examples of ene reactions. Ene reactions lead to rearrangement of sigma and pi bond in linear molecules, and no rings are formed or broken unless it is an intramolecular ene reaction. The following are examples of ene reactions with different substrates. As has been shown, hydrogen is the most common atom transferred in an ene reaction. Indeed, all the examples shown involve hydrogen shifts. Other atoms or groups may, however, participate in ene-like transformations. For example, reaction 4 above is a retro-ene reaction. Next, let us look at another example. The reaction is an example of metalla-ene reaction in which a Grignard functional group moves to a new location before reacting with an electrophilic reagent, that is carbon dioxide. This too is an example of intramolecular ene reaction that result in the formation of a cyclic ring. In the next shown reactions, an enol tautomer function as the hydrogen donor in the ene reaction, leading to cyclization through an intramolecular ene reaction. The second reaction is one of the many examples of Lewis acid catalyzed ene reaction. Some of these reactions have proven useful as synthetic transformations. The ene reaction has also been reported for various heteroatoms such as oxaene, thioene and azaene. Following are examples of such reactions. The first is an example of an oxaene reaction in the presence of Lewis acid, where by a concerted mechanism the ene reaction is carried forward. The next example is that of a thioene reaction, and the next is that of an azaene reaction. The natural terpene beta-pinene from pine trees reacts with enophiles such as acrylates to undergo the ene reaction as given. The major interaction between these two molecules is between the nucleophilic end of the exocyclic alkene and the electrophilic end of the acrylate. These atoms have the largest contribution in the HOMO and LUMO respectively, and in the transition state, bond formation between these two ends takes place to give rise to products. The stereochemistry of this reaction is fixed due to all chair arrangement in the conformation of the transition state. The methyl group adopts an equatorial position in this conformation, fixing the way the other bonds are formed. Let us now summarize this module. Aldene reaction is a kind of group transfer pericyclic reaction. Ene reaction involves reaction between an alkene with an allylic hydrogen and a compound containing multiple bonds. While the mechanism is not well defined, may involve stepwise product formation, high levels of stereospecificity are achieved in the Ene reaction through organized transition states. Ene reactions which take place in the presence of Lewis acids proceed very fast even at moderate temperatures. Variation of Ene reactions such as retro-Ene reaction, metalla-Ene and Konica-Ene reaction yield synthetically useful products. Ene reaction with heteroatoms such as oxaene, azaene and thioene reactions are known and follow stereospecificity rules. Lastly, this reaction is a strong and versatile transformation in synthesis.